Hey guys, like today I'm making a video, but I'll be doing a tutorial video, another one, but for this one, you say, I only have 16 Robloxs, it's pretty fresh. It's the same, right? This trick costs 25. I just, test this out, so if you want a Roblox shirt for free, but you don't have enough to afford. But you do need like any type of birth club, or even the cheapest one, any type of birth club. So, first thing first, copy his name. Go on Google. Oh god. Search his name, but then put template. Images. Can't find any. Come on. I'm gonna okay, that one doesn't work. If you can't find sure won't work. Like if you can't find sure but actually get this value of the template, that's okay. But I was gonna do this one too. Oh, cost the same. Same guy. So oh god, that hurt for my
There's tons of it.
I found
oh my
one.
God.
I know.
Just shoot her.
No. That one won't work. Can you shut up? Sorry guys. But I guess we would just be using this one. Just so you click on it. I have this in the link in the description down below. Oh, this way. Oh. Oh. Never mind. I'm just What? Yeah. Yeah. Wait. Say if you want this one. Click on it. Oh. Oh no, no, no. No. Not from that guy. Do not do anything with that guy. No, no, no. Anything with that guy. Might find one. What? say beyond this one. This one's pretty cool. So you click on it. As usual. The shop again. Oh my god. What? Just gonna use this one again. Okay. We're out of look for if you can buy a template. Find converters. See this. Copy. No, why not making a video? Sorry,
no.
Shut up.
Okay, it's fine. I don't know where it's at. Lay down.
Okay.
Lay down.
We want this one. Okay. Just need to go through this YouTube one up. You need more. I forget it. Just gonna use this one. Hopefully this one do not make you pay. Okay. On that one. This one. This one's pretty cool. Let's click on that. Oh. What? This you. You. One. Alright. So here we go. I want to copy the thing. Once you get your template, then go here. Roblox flat download. See that flash right here? Well, I'm gonna paste that thing in. And then type it in. And this image should pop up. Copy it. Wait, no, not copy it. Save image as. Name whoever has named it is GG. And then you already have it. So, sorry it took a little while. It's kind of hard. I didn't see, like, you have to try to find, like, try to find the right website. So you want to go to shirts. I think this also works for pants too, I think. No, but oh god. Pictures. My GG. So once you name it, you click upload. And for shirts and stuff with me. I used that without paint.net. I was trying to do, but nope. And here's was my test. Here's the one. I'll wear this. Wait before I'll get completed. Boom. As you can see, it's on. Guys, I'm so sorry this took forever. So yeah, we enjoyed. Bye.